What's up, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Paco, where you'll get the most up to date financial news, stock news, and cryptocurrency news. So, if you might be interested in any of these subjects, please consider hitting that subscribe button and let's grow this community. So, let's get this video started. So, I really wanted to make this video because I've been seeing lately more and more people blow away the topic about El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Why are people blowing it off? Is because El Salvador is a really small country. I do give them that. They are a really small country compared to other countries in the world, right? But come on, look at companies like Apple, like Amazon. When they first started, they were super small. If you have the conviction of something gonna play out super big in the future, you're gonna see it potentially grow in the future. So, if you don't know, I am from El Salvador. I'm a Salvadorian that lives in America, but I do have relatives that live in El Salvador still. And I have traveled over there to El Salvador. Not recently, but over the years, like I've traveled. Um, so currently, El Salvador, before they became Bitcoin as their legal tender, they used the US dollar. And you might say, what's wrong with the US dollar? And I mean, there's arguments here and there about using fiat, especially the US dollar, but I'm not going to get into that. But since I have traveled El Salvador, I could give you some prime examples. First of all, the minimum wage salary in El Salvador is about $250 a month. Yes, people, a month. So we're talking about only about $2,200 a year for minimum wage. And the average medium salary in El Salvador is about $1,600 a month. And we're talking about yearly, that's only about 19,000, 20,000 a year. So you can't really compare about salaries of United States and El Salvador. And just to give you an example, when I did visit El Salvador when I was 15, 16 years old, it's yes, you could go to family owned restaurants and the food is super cheap. Like we're talking about you could feed maybe like a family of eight for like under $100. Like and that's like going all out, right? But it starts getting difficult once you start traveling to like the city, to like main restaurants like McDonald's. I'm not sure if they have Walmart. Probably not, but like the malls. So the mall prices over there for certain items for like clothing, shoes, is exactly the same as in America. So imagine people over there earning only about 19,000 yearly. They're barely making needs met as it goes. So this is why I believe Bitcoin is a huge positive for El Salvador. And I know that there is many protests right now in El Salvador because first of all, they don't understand what Bitcoin is. They just think it's another fiat currency out there, but it's not. And partially this is the government's fault in El Salvador for not preparing people with knowledge about Bitcoin. So the president of El Salvador recently made a, or their government made a crypto wallet called Chivo. So in English, it translates to cool wallet, but it's Chivo. Okay, and to incentivize people to join their wallet, they airdropped $30 worth of Bitcoin for everyone to grab if they sign up. Which, if you think about it, it's smart. That's what a lot of exchanges are doing, like in Coinbase, just for learning the crypto, they give you a reward. So it's kind of funny how they're kind of playing the D5, but in the government sector. So obviously, there's going to be people that are still against Bitcoin, which are they're going to download the app just to get the free $30 and kind of withdraw that money out into USD. So I think in the next couple years, people are going to start adapting to Bitcoin. They're going to start learning more about Bitcoin. Hopefully, get the more knowledge into other cryptocurrencies because it's not just Bitcoin. There's Ethereum. There's many more. So hopefully, they are able to learn more and more as time goes on, and they accept the fact that they're using Bitcoin as their legal tender. So if you see on the screen, there is El Salvador is one of the countries with like a lot of active volcanoes, and currently they have about 20 volcanoes that are active. And what the president of Salvador is trying to do is actually in the picture you can see that there is a facility of essentially crypto miners that are pretty much setting up and using the energy of the volcanoes to power the crypto mining rigs, which is a huge plus because it's a good source of energy that's cheap and is good for the environment. So this is a really good plus, which a lot of people are kind of like blowing off, thinking it's only one volcano, but it's 20. If you kind of think about it, if they get access to the volcanoes to convert that energy to make more efficient energy, that's going to create more jobs in the country. That's going to create more opportunity to reach energy to remote places that don't even have electricity currently. So it's not just crypto related that's gonna affect the country. It's many stuff, and especially right now, the president of Salvador is kind of incentivizing a lot of foreign investors to kind of come to their country and invest into like businesses, starting up their own like their own business or even real estate. And I believe what he's trying to do is like if they transact with 3 bitcoins in the country, they'll be considered I guess I don't know if it'd be a citizen, but just the fact that they're gonna try to promote more wealthy people into the country is a good sign to El Salvador, and especially I think it's into good interest for foreign investors to go to El Salvador because of the capital gains. The president said that they won't do any capital gains tax on foreign investors, on capital gains tax or income. So obviously, there's going to be people all over that. They're going to go to El Salvador just to start up businesses. This is going to create more jobs for people in El Salvador, which in turn I see in the future going to increase salaries in El Salvador thanks to Bitcoin. So this is why I'm really bullish on cryptocurrencies. We are still super early in all cryptocurrencies, and I guess we'll see how everything plays out. But this is really the something I really want to share out, and I hope that a lot of people could kind of watch this video and understand where I'm coming from. So I guess that'll be it for this today's video. Hope you enjoy. Please consider hitting that like button. That really helps a lot. And also, if you're still watching this, hit that subscribe button. What are you doing? And we'll see you till next time. Peace.